This is kind of controversial, but I personally feel that whey protein concentrate powders are freaking overrated for muscle building. Hear me out, lads, and I shall explain why. Mr. Fu is from a lower middle class family and he consumes milk and curd on a regular freaking basis. He invests the remaining money on fake whey protein powder jars promoted by his favorite fake natty charlatan influencer with erectile dysfunction. He messes up his freaking health and gets belted by his alcohol chugger gambling addict father. But Mr. Cool consumes affordable protein sources like egg, skim milk powder, soya chunks, and regular ass chicken. He also invests the remaining freaking cash into an affordable plant protein isolate powder jar from NACPRO. Mr. Cool truly has brains along with the freaking gains. Whey protein concentrate powder is basically a milk product. If you're already consuming milk powder and curd on a regular freaking basis, then why not consume eggs, soya chunks, and chicken for better variety and improved nutrition, I guess. No cap, but every freaking diet works for muscle building, but make sure that it aligns with your freaking budget. A randomized trial found that high protein vegan and omnivorous freaking diets produce comparable myofibrillar protein synthesis rate and similar muscle hypertrophy and strength gains during prolonged resistance training in young adults. These two studies also prove the same goddamn freaking thing. Act smart, folks, because natural bodybuilding is actually possible on a freaking budget. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन